In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use DocuSign, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now, there are several things you can actually do with DocuSign, but the first thing you're going to begin by doing is creating your signature. You can add a profile photo if you'd like, but I'm going to start with creating a signature. With your full name and your initials, it will give you a few options with different fonts to actually sign documents in. For example, I could choose this one. You can also draw your actual signature. So, for example, if I just wanted to do that as my signature and I wanted to do my initials like that, I would create it and then that would be my signature. As you can see, it is right there. Now, if you get sent a DocuSign, it will prompt you to log into your DocuSign and automatically it will sign the documents for you with this signature. It makes it super simple to sign documents that have a lot of signatures, and it allows you to do it remotely instead of in person. Now, there are several different things that you can do with DocuSign as well. You can share things or start a different inbox if you have multiple things you need to sign on a daily basis. There are also templates, reports, and you can check out your settings just over here. Now, settings takes a little bit to load, but as you can see, you can just change multiple settings. Now, if you go back to the home, you will see that there are different plans that you can view to actually use within DocuSign. For personal, which is individuals and sole proprietors, they can use this one, but just depending on your DocuSign and your signature needs, you can actually buy a plan, but you can also just have DocuSign for free if you just need to sign a few times. Now, one thing that you can actually do, for example, is drop a document and add recipients. So, for example, if I wanted to use a template, I will search for different templates, but if I just want to actually use a template over here, I can create one. And you can add the certain documents that need to be signed within this. Now, that's basically all there is to it. If I wanted to upload a file, I can do that as well. But as I don't have any documents that really need to be signed, I'm just going to click something random. And once it's uploaded, you can actually add recipients and you can change if they need to sign, if they need to receive a copy, need to view, or if it's an in-person signature. Now, once you add these recipients, you can also add a message that comes along with the email, but that's really all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.